Greetings and beyond the news, viewers. My name is the Fort, and I'm the puertoriqeño the Bat. And sorry about the delays. I've been busy in life and Christmas, New Year's, and Three Kings, but I will explain that for later. So either way, let's continue where we left off. Ratchet and Clank and Oberon, the toxic love in this place. So funny. Anyways. So, I'm about to break any respawn of these boxes, so either way, when we finish that, then we'll go out. Alright, to explain this, I've been busy in my life, being working and whatever else, but not enough for that my life. But I enjoy the Christmas and the New Year's by my feasting. Anyways, then the Three Kings days. But I hope you all enjoy your own holidays and New Year's. That always matters. But anyways, we're going to Hoven, the coldest place in the world. Alright, let's get going. Blast off! Hoven, we're here. Alright, snowy place to enjoy.
That must be the ship that will transport the bomb.
You think? Great work, detective.
Will you stop, Ratchet? He made one mistake. Jeez. See? Oh yeah, I know that. Wait a minute, a quick select from this. I need to change weapons because there are not going to be any small ones around here out of it. So I'm going to need weapons changed. Alright, time to draw you in there because of them. Voila. I wish I could see snow. So peaceful and everything. Never got to see it. I would like to see it, or even better, feel it. But anyways, it'll be one day, but it'll be soon or later, whichever. And made it. Alright, I'm just gonna grab those bolts because, well, not gonna lose them because, well, I'm gonna need them again later. So either way. Alright, let's get going to there. This will be the difficulty part. Because I gotta concentrate to match them from there. And I didn't match it again. Made it. Well, I made that part, so either way, we got it. Alright. Need the grappling hook. I can't see. Alright, now we can blow that up. Alright, now gotta prepare ourselves for anything. So let's get going to there. Alright, and ready now. Alright, it's a close one, and you. Alright, I gotta need a weapon. This will have to do. It's close enough to even damage something, but it'll do for now. Because I don't know how strong their skins are. But it will have to do. Alright, again. Phew. Close one. Just don't want to go cut myself to tiny little pieces. Alright, now this is the hard part. Oh, I always hate. Alright, careful. Need to concentrate, so I'm going to have to be silenced for a while. Damn, miss again. Ah, got you. Now fire. I missed. Oh well, let's just keep going. Don't have much time for any of them, so let's just get them killed for once. Okay, let's just start walking. So waiting, we walk. Right. Oh, you don't go falling in there because one, I'm not hurry. Not going to go swim to the fishy coldness. Alright, now let's just keep going. And grab one thing you can able to get. Now here's the hard part. Alright, now gotta keep going. So, no. I might as well just jump. Okay, there we go. That's done. Done. Alright, time to talk to you.
Oh, heck.
Is there a problem, sir?
Y'all wouldn't have any spare parts, would you?
Help yourself.
These dang rocks are too tough. I keep breaking my drill.
That rock is raritanium.
Let me look at that drill.
Well, shoot my dog and call me Sally. Thanks, partner.
No problem. I suppose I could take that rock off your hands, too.
Heck, here you go.
Ah, good. Raritanium. Alright. We got the raritanium. Now let's go down here. Now, let's see where we need to go next, if I could remember. Alright, now, one thing, going to need that. This is a coldy place. Only I would know a person, well, element or anyone would go for this cold place. And the only one who could be is the brother of his. I'm Mr. White Christmas. I'm Mr. Snow. I'm Mr. Icicle. I'm Mr. Ten Below. Oh yes, the cold with the snow miser. I enjoy that. That's so funny. I enjoy the Hate Miser and the Snow Miser song every time. So funny. Alright, enough with the memory lane. Time to get going from where we need to go around here. Alright, let's go over here. I need a weapon. Flamethrower. Think something will be out of here. Something. I don't know from what. Alright, this is, oh my gosh, this is a nesting. Time to burn. That was a close one. Alright, that took me a lot of ammo for it, but it was worth it. Alright, let's get going to wherever this up there. Before we go, need to collect any bolts around here. Alright, now let's go. Try to get that. Oh, come on. Again. Come on. Again. Fuck. Come on. Man. Fucking hell. Finally. Jeez. Alright, there's a golden bolt up here. Alright. Alright. Let's just We got it? Okay, now let's get going to the next one before I really go get a blood vessel popped. Okay, if memory serve, this should be taking us somewhere, if I can recall. Oh jeez. I just got that life. Forget it. Let's just keep going. Going down. Woohoo! Now, we're down to wherever it is. From here. Now, let's just grab what we need and get going. Alright. Now to here. To the water. Hydro. Draining the power supply of water. Alright, now time to overflow. Oh, what? I like this part. Alright, now it's time to see where the next overflow to get. Time to drain that. And now let's find the next overflowing place. It's probably here. Yep, there it is. Now let's go up. Alright, now it's over here. Ah, there you are. That was easy. Now drain down. Another place to go overflowing. Ah, there it is. Let's get going to overflow again. Yeah, this is funny out of it. And this is easy. Alright, now let's get going to wherever it's going to be. Another time. Don't have enough time to get that. I'll be getting going to whatever is going to be it. But I know this part, and I'm going to grab it. I need it, because we're going to need to go through it. Let's just wait, and we'll go. Whoa, 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 don't throw, just touch. There, much better. Not grab, let's go out, jeez. Oh geez, surprise. Alright. Ooh, I'm just gonna kill you like that. Alright, now let's try to make sure to survive. We're down to 2 lives remaining. Alright, so I'm going to have to first make every bomb of those to explode, since they don't have anything what I need, right? Gotta be careful, because I don't want to fall in. Alright, careful. Gotta be careful. Alright, just want to make sure. Nothing. Alright, let's get going to where we need to get going. Alright. Now this is easy. I just wait over here and voila. I don't know who lets them blow themselves up. Alright, get out. Now that's as easy as at the mall. Alright, now that's it for all the rooms. Now we go to that last one over there. If I recalled, we're about to get it soon, where we need it. Just one more checkup in here. Oh, good. No life for me to take. Alright, now let's go to the last room. Careful. Alright, now to the last house, because I know this one, it will be good.
Hey, buddy, what's shaking?
Oh my goodness. Aren't you just a little angel?
Actually, I'm a little robot.
You're funny too.
Yeah? Looks on everything.
You be nice. I think I got something special for you. How would you like a hydro pack upgrade?
That would be quite helpful for swimming underwater.
Whatever.
Ratchet, stop it for once. And yes, I'll buy it.
There you go, sweetie. You look so handsome.
Thank you, miss. Your craftspersonship is excellent.
If you two are through,
Jealous?
You come back and see me any old time.
Yes, this is the one. Use the hydro pack. I can finally swim faster anywhere I like. But it will have to wait. For now, not yet. We'll get there soon, but not now. So let's go to the next. Okay, there's 3 places that we already caught 2. So we need to go to this 3rd one. Need to keep an eye because those are the things I hate more. I'm down to 2 life, back where I was when I already started this. Alright, enough of that. Okay, now let's try to kill any enemies without killing me. Alright, let's get going. Now it's time to see what will happen. Oh jeez. Oh, I gotta make it quick. That was a close one. Alright. I wanna make sure each... Aha! I knew it. So they're trying to stop me no matter what I do. Or say, or any of those. Jesus. Alright, let's get going to the cave up. Well, This is over, so no matter. Okay, now, sneak attack. Nice one, but you're dead either way. So no tricks up your sleeves. Alright. Let's figure out what we need to get going to the next plane. Now, careful. Ooh, close one. Alright, let's try to concentrate around here. Ooh, that was a close one. Well, that'll be it for any of those. Okay, friends, start helping me. Okay, now there's more in there, so going to have to throw a little bit more to that so we can take care of them. It's always easy. Wonder if I can throw more. And just one left. Ooh, well, you're dead either way. Alright, now let's get going around. There's nothing there. Now let's get going over here. I don't want to blow myself up because I don't have much life in it. Alright, now let's get going to over Here. Oh, great, just what I don't like. Oi. No worries. Let's just continue where we left off. Alright. Now, burn it. Finally, it's gone. Alright. It's gonna go on to where we need to get going. Getting over there, so hoping.
We are too late. The ship is leaving.
Hang on. There's an old defense turret over there. Hey, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I sincerely doubt it.
No, come on, Clank. It's better than this and then being shot like this. And that was 2 of my life. Alright, now let's try to shoot them down as quickly as we can, because this is going to take forever. This. I'm going to start targeting at them and targeting at him. Okay, this is going to take long. Okay, I'm going to have to be quiet to try to concentrate here, viewers. Fuck! Fuck! Okay, forget about him. Let's try this again and hope to try to finish it. Come on, faster, get in there. Fuck you. Come on, faster, get in. Now go ahead. Fuck you, for the love of gods. Fuck you. Alright, silence. Fuck. Fuck! 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 I'm gonna fucking kill you! Yes!
Men, you are about to embark on a very dangerous mission. We will be launching a heavily armed surprise attack from our new moon base against a completely unarmed planet. Actually, that doesn't sound too dangerous. Nevertheless, your orders are simple. Destroy anything that moves. Steal the power generators from Gorda City. Then destroy anything that doesn't move. Oh, and don't forget, have fun.
We must get to the moon base and stop Drek.
No, we have to get to the moon base to find Quark. If Drek is there, Quark is probably with him.
But Drek is going to destroy that city. We must get to the base.
That's what I said.
No, that is what I said.
Fine.
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 Yes! Yes! Fuck yeah! Yeah! And also, stop with you two! Stop, Ratchet, stop being childish! Alright? Clank is just explaining himself and everything. Don't be a fucking child! Sorry, viewers, it's just, I really hate people who act like a child every minute of it. It makes me tickle off so much, I'd rather really just bite their ass off. Either way, let's just go to the Poketaro. I need to deliver someone. Blast off! Okay, Poketaro. Now it's time to deliver someone on their reward. Now, let's get going to getting these boxes. And now let's go to that geek boy. He owes me something for getting this raritanium. So, time to see.
Perfect. This is precisely what I need. You will bring me more raritanium. You can't be serious.
Ah, well, I tried.
Let's see, the Persuader. I can persuade Gadgetron, so he'll do. Not that picky for any of those things, so either way, it's better than nothing. Well, anyways, it's time to get going for me to go outside. Well, viewers, this is the end for me because it's getting late around here. So, either way, thank you for watching for my video. Subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up, or like and share with other friends of yours, or any of those. But thank you for watching anytime. I appreciate that more to anyone. Either way, but thank you, and I'll be making more videos what I can, if I can. But as always, another night will come, and another night will be out. Hasta luego.